So real quick, just wanted to do a short video for you guys that hunt up north in the cold climates like we do. We're here in Michigan. There's days that it gets downright cold, and number one thing is to stay warm. If you can't stay warm, you can't stay out there hunting. So this here is a Blizzard bodysuit. You guys, I know probably know of the heater bodysuits. This is just a variation of that, called Blizzard Buddy, and I didn't really know how to use this thing in a saddle because it's just a different way. A saddle is just a different way of hunting. Figured out that I could get this modified on the Saddle Hunter website. Seen a guy make some modifications. So I didn't invent this. I actually I stole it from another guy's process. And basically, what you do here, these things have pockets in them. You guys are probably familiar with like overalls, how the pockets go over through your overalls and into your pants. Well, this didn't do that, so I had to make a modification so that it actually went inside. And so what I've done here is I've made it so that I can get my bridge through this. I wear my saddle. My bridge will be inside my saddle will be inside my suit, and then this bridge will go outside. So I had those made those holes on that. I had a friend. She does some seamstress work. She managed to get that done for me, and she did a really good job. So that's how that will go. And then for the saddle itself, a lot of saddles are they're not the bridges aren't detachable. Like, so I had, and this one wasn't either. So what I had to do is I had to go through and change this. I had to use a carabiner. Normally it's just attached on here. So I had to go through, get a carabiner and tie some loops, knots. If you go to Stags in the Outdoors, he'll show you in depth how to do an adjustable or a removable bridge. So that's how that works. So go to his channel and he can show you how that works. So I'll just show you real quick how this goes on, and you can see how this will work. So we're going to pretend that we're up at hunting height. So what I would do is I'd be up on my saddle. I'd use my lineman's belt for this to stay secure into the tree, and then you just get into your suit. All right. So again, you want to make sure that you're always connected to the tree. Once I'm in, then it's pretty simple how this works. I like to try to keep the tether right about head height or forehead height. For me, that seems to be the most comfortable spot. And I'm hooked in. I don't do a whole lot of adjustments usually with my bridge. I usually keep it kind of in the same spot, but so just like that, I'm ready to go. It's cold out. I can just, these are quiet zippers, so you can just zip these up. They need to stay warm. I can sit down, and I can sit here all day long, just like that. Like I said, I put this together, this video, because there really hasn't been any video on YouTube that I've noticed to show how to hunt in a bodysuit like this out of a saddle. So hopefully, if this will help some of you guys develop something for yourself. And if you have any other ideas, you want to leave comments, and please like and share our page. Thank you.